So the first thing, handwritten letter. Start doing it, right? After that, on the day of the birthday, we are going to have a birthday message. Now, the really cool thing about this, I'm going to go ahead and click into this, and it's going to be called a routine activity. Well, in this routine activity, I can build an action and I can name it. I can select it to be sent out automatically. I can attach a template of a pre-written birthday message that I would have. At this point, this is probably pretty similar to most systems that you've used, right? But this is where all of those systems really show their age. And man, the most fun thing that I can share about this, when most CRM systems were built, Living La Vida Loca, Ricky Martin, was the #1 pop hit. So I just want you to think about that fact and then think about how old these systems are and think about how far technology has come since Living La Vida Loca and you were jamming out in your Jinko jeans and convertible, right? So you can add a template, maybe it's a pretty stock birthday message, but you can also add an objective. What Sam can do is create custom content based on these objectives. So if you have a template in there, it is going to read the template, it's going to look at the objective, and it's going to create something custom. Now, if you have personal notes for that specific contact, it's going to use those personal notes to create it even more tailored to that person receiving it. If you don't have a template and you just have an objective, Sam's going to create that content for you using the objective. So we've got a couple options. Now, remember when I talked about how I am a millennial and I don't want you to call me? Not trying to be rude, it's just kind of a fact of the matter. This is going to be where this comes into play. It's called message type. Now, you can select lots of different message types. Preferred would be SMS for my specific contact. Or if I don't have a preferred, it can be defaulted to email. Now, if you always want this message to be an email, you could set it to just email. It's pretty standard, pretty stock. But this preferred allows Sam to lean into those custom experiences for that specific person. So because my example, my preferred method is an SMS message, Sam is going to take that template, which maybe was an email template specifically for this birthday, and it's going to convert it into a text message. And it's going to send it out on your behalf. Now, I'm going to show you in a second the step before that, but because we have it selected, it's automatic and it'll go, boom.